Welcome. So today I want to show you how I'm going to add crackle onto this rainbow bowl. So I did the outside with black and I added in this rainbow, and then on the inside I did the clear and I have another rainbow on here, but I want to have this clear glaze that already has a crackle to it. I want to emphasize that crackle because I like the way it looks. So I'm going to use this India ink. I'm gonna make sure my project's fully fired. I'm gonna use the India ink. Now I wanna make sure, cause like these are brand new tables. We don't wanna make them cray-cray. So either do this at the sink or make sure you have a generous chunk of newspaper at your desk, but most likely you're just gonna do it at your sink. So you can use a paintbrush if you want, but the India ink does tend to stain, so I tend to use a slightly damp paper towel, and literally you're just gonna rub it in here. I'm just taking this India ink and I'm just mopping it onto here and blending it around. I go back and get some more as needed. If you get it on your skin, just make sure you wash it off. Okay, so now once you have put it all on there, you're gonna use a clean, damp paper towel, and it's just damp, it's not drippy wet, right? And you're just gonna start wiping it off, and it's gonna leave the ink in the crackly areas. Now, if the paper towel isn't damp enough, you can always take it to the sink and use a sponge. But you can see, like on this inside, how it's leaving this really beautiful crackle. So now you can really see this beautiful crackle texture, and it just adds another layer of interest to the project. So experiment, have fun, and happy making. Thanks, everybody.